What do we have? First rates, the bells gone off, and 120 points, 25,600. That's 140 odd points lower. The Nifty Bank is down about 80 points. Sensex is down about 500, and the mid-cap index is down about 500 as well. About 1% lower is what you have coming through. So yeah, I mean, 1,000 stocks are higher, about 700 stocks are lower. That's the advanced decline ratio. So broader market still more up than down, but this is a bit of a bite out of the big gains that we saw yesterday. The heat map, perhaps before we do anything further. Okay, I don't think we have the heat map. So let's go across to Nigel now. He's on the wall with what's happening. Nigel, over to you.
Well, market's cooling down after the big run that we saw yesterday. So the Nifty should come up for you on the screen. Well, that's pulled back a little bit, close to around 70, 80 points. But I'll tell you what, the first tick actually it was down 150 points. The Nifty Bank, that's the one that's actually trying to bat for the bulls, because the tech index, well, that's lost its way. Tech has got slammed in today's trading session. The Nifty Bank, well, that's taking onus on it and saying, let me bat for the bulls. Also pull up Reliance Industries, because let's see what that one's doing. If in case we need to offset what the tech index is down, that's down closer on 2,200 points as we speak. Reliance Industries and the Nifty Bank, they'll have to do bulk of the heavy lifting. But keep an eye out on this number. This is the advances number at around 1,000 stocks. Well, by the end of today, I'll want to see more number of stocks advancing than declining. Yesterday, by the way, it was a bit of a record that we were at around 2,500 stocks that were advancing. Tech is getting knocked back, so all the frontline names should come up for you. Whether you look at Infosys, TCS, or even Tech Mahindra, all of them are lower in today's trading session. So they are seeing some selling pressure. Bajaj Finance, well, that stock has opened up more or less flattish the last time I checked. For the time being, I think let's pull that one up. I think it was marching the green. Now it's in fact down close to 1.3%. And Gaurav had highlighted that there were some concerns on that front. Stocks that went up yesterday, they are seeing some follow-through buying. So you have Gokul Das. That stock is building on those gains. Yesterday, 20%. Today, up another 10%. Kitex Garments as well. That's the other stock in there. That's up and about in today's trading session. So good move is what we're seeing on both these two names. Sheela Foam, the numbers look quite good. So a couple of good earnings reactions. Whether you're looking at Sheela Foam, whether you're looking at Lloyds Metal, both of them are up close to around 7 to around 10%. I think Lloyds Metal now is up 10%. Sheela Foam up close to around 15%. So good going out there. Add to the list V2 Retail as well. The numbers look quite good, 4% higher on that stock. But there are some losers as well. So you have BCCL. Remember, the stock listed at a premium of around 90% in comparison to its IPO price. However, a bit of a shocker now, because from around 45 rupees on the day of listing, stocks come down to around 36, 37 rupees, but the float is very limited. JK Lakshmi Cement, the numbers look quite weak, particularly on the realizations. We require some clarity on that front. Stock already 20% down from the top. Now it's down close to around 4% as we speak. And Aarti Drugs as well from the broader markets. That's another stock that's down close to around 6.5%. Dam Capital is the other name that comes in there with some losses. And since it's that sort of a day where you have a lot of stocks that are declining, Dam Capital is down and Latent View as well, seeing some selling pressure. But as we did that, that quick check on the markets, take a look at what's taking place. The Nifty, that when I started off was down close to around 100 points. That's fought its way back. And now, in fact, it's trading more or less flattish. The Nifty Bank, Reliance Industries, both those two big boys, they'll have to counter what the Nifty IT index is doing in today's trading session, because tech is under pressure. Prashant, back to you.
Yeah. Nigel, thank you very much for that.